Claiming your Spotify artist profile is essential if you want to grow your music career and connect directly with your fans. To start, head over to Spotify for Artists and sign up using the email connected to your music distributor, like DistroKid, TuneCore, or CD Baby. Once you log in, search for your artist name and submit a claim request. Spotify will verify that you're the real artist, which it usually takes a few days. After you're verified, you'll get access to your dashboard where you can customize your profile photo or write your bio and even add upcoming concert dates. Claiming your profile also lets you pitch your unreleased songs to Spotify's editorial playlist and see detailed stats about your streams, listeners, and where your fans are located. The data is powerful for planning your next moves. If your music is already live on Spotify, your profile is probably waiting for you. So don't wait, claim it now and start taking control of your artist page. If you found this helpful, and leave your artist name in the comments. I'd love to check out your profile and share some tips.